Now here let us try to understand how a piping department works. Okay, as we know, in any of the department there will be few stakeholders. For example, HOD will be there, that is head of the department. Then there will be lead engineer, a pool of engineers, then pool of designers will be there, then maybe some modelers. So these many people will be always there in a piping department. Now let us see how things are moving. If you look at here, HOD will be associated with so many activities, like dealing with projects. Project is always dealing with client. Any information is required by client or by engineering department will be coordinated by project team. Then HOD can always ask project for various requirements. Okay, project will be questioning HOD if any of the deliverable is missed. So these two are like dealing on that basis. At the same time, like lead engineer will be there, who is associated, who is answerable to HOD. But at the same time, for day-to-day requirements, they are going to deal with project department also, right? So again, lead engineer will be dealing with procurement activities. Okay, a lot of vendors will be involved, like all the piping deliverables, uh, piping components will have to be procured. We have to deal with a lot of vendors. So these lead engineer will be associated with all these activities. Again, all these pool of engineers, pool of designers who are associated with 2D 3D activities, they will be answerable to lead engineers. Okay, so engineer will be handling, like one engineer will be handling 2 3 designers or 2 3 modelers. So those kind of activity, those kind of groups will be there, subgroups will be there, which will be handled by engineers. Then all those subgroup head leads will be answerable to lead engineer, and lead engineer will be associated with HOD, project team, and procurement activities. At the same time, we have to coordinate with the other disciplines to get information and to provide information. So there will be, again, like in civil there will be lead engineer, there will be an HOD. So all those things, all those coordination will be done by their counterparts with piping counterparts. Okay, so HOD will be associated with the other discipline HODs, like lead engineers. So you can say HOD and lead engineers will be coordinating with other disciplines also. So this is how this piping engineering works. A lot of coordination will be there, a lot of deliverables has to be uh, furnished based on project requirements. Okay, this is how the whole system works.